Hello student, in this video I am going to start the explanation of the balancing of chemical equation. Okay, so in this chemical equation, potassium dichromate on being heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, okay, forms potassium sulfate, chromium sulfate, water and oxygen. The reaction can be written in the form of chemical equation as like this. Okay, so now the first step is writing the frequency number. Okay, so the frequency number of the elements, first element is potassium, so I have written potassium here, chromium here, oxygen here, next hydrogen here, sulfur here. Okay, again oxygen, potassium, sulfur, oxygen, chromium, sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, so now we have to write their frequency number. How many times potassium occurs in a particular reaction? 1, 2. Okay, chromium 1, 2, oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hydrogen 1, 2, sulfur 1, 2, 3. ओके, दिस वन इज 3. तो हमें कौन सा फर्स्ट पिक करना है टू स्टार्ट द बैलेंसिंग? तो हेयर द लीस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 2 which is of potassium, chromium and hydrogen. So first we have to balance the metal first. Here potassium and chromium both are metals, but as chromium is having higher atomic number, that is why we have to balance it first. Okay, so on this side chromium, how many molecules of chromium are there? 2. And this side the number of molecules of chromium are also 2, so it is already balanced. Now move to potassium. On this side potassium 2, this side potassium 2. Okay, it is already balanced, so it needs no balancing. Which one? Potassium and chromium. Okay, now move to hydrogen. Okay, so student, on the product, on the reactant side, how many hydrogen atoms are there? 2. And on the reactant side also 2. So there are 2 hydrogen atoms towards the side of reactant and 2 atoms towards the side of product, thus it needs no balancing. Okay, now move to the sulfur, which is having 3 frequency number. Okay, so how many sulfur are there? 1. And how many are there? 1, then 2, 3, 4. Means reactant side 1 sulfur is there and product side 4 sulfur are there. So now student, we have to multiply on the reactant side this H2SO4 by 4. Okay, so now the sulfur molecule are balanced. Okay, however on multiplying sulfuric acid, means H2SO4 with 4, the number of hydrogen atoms increases to 8. We have already balanced this hydrogen, so now multiplying this 4 on H2SO4 side, the number of hydrogen is also disturbed. Okay, this side 8 and this side only 2. Okay, so in order to rebalance hydrogen atoms, we have to multiply this water also with 4. Alright, now the time for oxygen. Okay, the total number of oxygen towards the reactant side is 7. 4 is the 12. Okay, sorry, 16. So 16, total number is 23. Okay, then on this side the total number of oxygen atoms, here 4, this side 4 3 is the 12, then 4, then 2, so total number is 22. So there is one difference. Okay, so in the previous rule I have told you that if a element is present in a particular equation in pure elementary form means it do not attach or do not does not present in the form of a compound. So basically here oxygen is present in elementary form, thus we have to multiply this whole equation by 2 except this oxygen. Okay, so multiplying this whole reaction by 2. So here 2, here 4 2 is the 8, this side 2, here 2, here also it will become 8. Okay, now recounting the oxygen number once again. Okay, so towards the reactant side, how many oxygen are there? 7 2 is the 14, so here 14, here 8 4 is the 32, so 32, total number 46. Okay, and on the product side, okay, on the product side 4 2 is the 8, 4 3 is the 12, 12 2 is the 24. Okay, then 8, here 2. Okay, so the total number of oxygen on this side is 42. So again student, there is the difference in oxygen number. So in this rule, okay, so in this rule we have to multiply this elementary form of this substance, okay, to balance this equation. So now I'm multiplying it with 3. Okay, so before it was 2 and now it is 6. So total number of atoms which are added here are 4. So now if we are including here plus 4, so it will become 46. Okay, so now the number of oxygen, number of hydrogen, number of sulfur, chromium, potassium are totally balanced in chemical equation. I hope everything is very clear up to here. Okay, take care.